Hey guys, some time ago we showed you guys all the scaffolding that gets used when there's new projects being built or renovations being done to buildings in Japan. Thought some of you guys that were interested in that might be interested in this. These are overpass bridges, steel overpass bridges, pedestrian bridges over busy roads. And recently this town has been having them all repainted and sort of repaired and renovated. So instead of scaffold with the curtaining that we normally see in these cases, they've full on built structures over these things, as you can see. Full on wooden walls and the whole thing. And have a listen to the sound. Imagine what it'd be like to be inside there. Imagine how noisy that must be inside. So isn't that interesting? Full-on structure. It took them days, a couple of weeks actually, to build that structure, just to renovate it, and then they'll take it all down. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.